I think it's time that you accept that you are not losing weight because your grocery list literally does not make any sense. You're buying random healthy items, literally overspending, and then you're still barely hitting 100 grams of protein per day. Because of that, today in this video, I am going to be breaking down a high protein grocery list that hits over 100 grams of protein using ingredients that you can buy in bulk. And at the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you a real meal plan from one of my clients that we built using things that she already had at home. And I'm also going to be showing you how you can grab this list for yourself. I need you to know high protein eating is not just for bodybuilders. If you're a busy, ambitious woman dealing with low energy, cravings, stress eating, or hormonal issues like PCOS or insulin resistance, protein is your anchor. Protein stabilizes your blood sugar. It also helps keep you full longer. Protein also reduces your cravings, and it gives you steady energy. Here's the real problem. Most women aren't buying enough protein, or they're buying protein that does not last. That's how your grocery bill goes from $200 to $450 real quick. You go in looking for dinner ideas rather than restocking your inventory. So let's go over my simple high protein grocery list that you can buy in bulk, rotate weekly, and use to build balanced meals without overspending. First, let's talk about our protein assets. A large carton of eggs or egg whites. This is the cheapest source of protein available, and we typically use that for breakfast. Chicken breast can be bought in bulk or in frozen bags. We cook this once and we can shred it or portion it out for our lunches. Salmon fillets are great to have, and I know what you're thinking. Salmon is expensive, but it's not really that expensive if you buy it frozen or you buy it at Costco and Sam's in bulk. It is a high quality fat that supports hormonal health, so do consider adding this to your monthly haul. Greek yogurt, typically plain non-fat. Do not buy the little cups, buy the big tub because this is cheaper and more versatile. We use this to make creamy sauces without inflammatory oils that's found in mayo. Next is your produce. I typically like to buy spinach, and I buy the big bag from Costco. We saute it for breakfast and can use it fresh for salads or really just put it in anything. I also like to do asparagus when it's in season, or I like to buy it frozen. Celery and red onion, they provide that extra crunch and flavor for chicken salads so you don't get bored. And then lettuce, you can buy romaine or butter. This is really good for saving you calories at lunch, so you can replace your bread for your lettuce wraps. Now, having the ingredients is useless without a plan, so here's exactly how my client turned that list into a day of eating that hit 104 grams of protein. Her breakfast was scrambled eggs with spinach and whole wheat toast. She used 2 large eggs, a cup of spinach, and whole wheat toast, and this was 25 grams of protein right out the gate to start her day. It's fast, it's warm, and it stabilizes her glucose early in the morning. For lunch, she had chicken salad lettuce wraps. This is where the prep really saves you time. She used 4 ounces of chicken breast, and then we prepped that with Greek yogurt instead of mayo, which is a huge protein hack. She added celery and onion, and this was 42 grams of protein in the middle of the day. Because she used lettuce cups, she did not have that mid-afternoon crash that you typically get in the middle of the day. And for dinner, she had baked salmon with roasted asparagus and quinoa. This is really a luxury dinner. 4 ounces of salmon, roasted asparagus, and a half a cup of quinoa. This is 37 grams of protein, and it feels like a restaurant literally made it in real time. Literally frozen salmon and quinoa that's bought in bulk. Honestly, the secret to this budget is using what you already have. The meal plan relies on pantry staples, things like olive oil, salt, pepper, and lemon. I have a breakdown of my favorite pantry staples that you can watch right here. When you stop buying the one-time use ingredients for a specific recipe that you saw on TikTok, your weekly grocery bill will drop significantly. Here's the reality. You can screenshot this video and try to piece it all together, and that might work for a week. But a grocery list is not a transformation. A grocery list is just paper. A system is a transformation. My client did not just succeed because she bought the salmon. She succeeded because she had a strategy for when to prep it, she knew how to portion it, and why she was eating it. If you are an ambitious woman who is ready to stop guessing and really start building a metabolic system that runs on autopilot, I want to invite you to apply for my one-on-one coaching program. We don't just give you a list, we build the lifestyle that makes the list easy. Click the link in the description to apply for my one-on-one coaching program today. And if you want to test drive this exact system, I've put together this full fat loss friendly meal plan into a free PDF for you. And it has the shopping list and the macro breakdowns. You can grab it in the second link in the description below. Grab the plan, buy the food, learn the system, And honestly, if you learned anything from this video, be sure to give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more meal prep tips that will help you stay consistent. And thank you guys for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.